Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to begin with a new chapter, that is chapter number 3. Chapter number 3, and the name of the chapter is Fiber to Fabric. So in this chapter we will come to know about how is fabric prepared with the help of fiber. So in your class 6 you have already studied about fiber. That fiber is mainly of two types. First fiber that we are aware of is natural fiber, and the second fiber is synthetic fiber. Okay, so as the term implies, natural fiber की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो natural fiber is the fiber which is obtained naturally, or you can say from natural source, that is from the plants or the animals. So we can write the fiber which is obtained from plants and animals is termed as the natural fiber. For example, तो प्लांट से हमें कुछ अलग फाइबर मिलते हैं एंड एनिमल से हमें कुछ अलग टाइप के फाइबर मिलते हैं. तो कॉटन एंड जूट आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द प्लांट फाइबर दैट वी गेट फ्रॉम द प्लांट. सेकेंड इज योर wool and silk. This is the fiber that we get from animals. The source of the fiber is animal, and cotton and jute, the source of the fiber is plant. Okay, now moving on to the second one. This is our first, and the second is synthetic fiber. Synthetic fiber is the opposite of the natural fiber. This fiber is obtained from the natural source, that is from the plants and the animals. Synthetic fiber is man-made fiber which is prepared in the laboratories. Okay, so these fibers are man-made which are prepared in labs. Okay, so the example of synthetic fiber is nylon, you can say acrylic, polyester, etc. Okay, so natural fiber and the synthetic fiber are the two main kind of fibers. So natural fiber का हमारा जो होता है that is obtained from the plants and animals. It is obtained from the natural sources, that is the plants and the animals. And synthetic fiber are the fiber which is totally man-made, or you can say it is artificially prepared. The example of the natural fiber is cotton and jute in case of plants, and in case of animal it is wool and silk. In case of synthetic fibers, the examples are nylon, acrylic and polyester. I hope this much is clear to you all. So moving on, in this chapter you will study in detail about the animal fiber, the fiber which we obtain from the animals, that is the wool and the silk. So first we will study about wool. सो वुल हमें ऑब्टेन कहाँ से होता है? द सोर्स ऑफ वुल इज योर शीप और गोट और यू कैन इवन से याक. तो इट कम्स फ्रॉम sheep, goat, yak. नाउ इनकी बात करते हैं, इनके वैरायटी ऑफ वूल की, और इनका जो वूल होता है किस एरिया में कौन से एनिमल्स फाउंड होते हैं, एंड द वैरायटी ऑफ वूल दैट दे यील्ड. सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे शीप वूल की. शीप वूल एंड yak wool. Sheep wool and yak wool. Yak जो होता है that is mostly found in the hilly region. आपने देखा होगा, if you have ever visited a hill station then you might have seen yak. So they are commonly found in, आप कह सकते हो common in Tibet and Ladakh region. Okay. Second is Angora wool. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goat. अंगोरा नाम की एक गोट होती है विच यील्ड्स द अंगोरा वुल, एंड दिस गोट इज फाउंड इन द हिली रीजन लाइक योर जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. हिली रीजन लाइक जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. Okay. Now the third kind of wool that we get is the under fur. अंडर फर मतलब जो हमारी ऊपर वाली लेयर के अंडर जो सॉफ्ट फाइन हेयर होते हैं, दैट आर टर्म्ड एज द अंडर फर. अंडर फर ऑफ कश्मीरी गोट. Many of you might have heard the term पश्मीना शॉल. काफ़ी लोगों ने सुना होगा. दैट पश्मीना शॉल इज़ फेमस फॉर इट्स फाइन क्वालिटी. वो बहुत सॉफ्ट होती है. आप उसे अगर जो प्योर होती है, इफ़ यू ट्राई टू पास इट विद द फ्रॉम द रिंग, तो वो इतनी सी रिंग में से भी पास हो जाती है बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स फाइन quality, and it is very much warm also. Okay, so that pashmina shawl is obtained from the under fur of this Kashmiri goat. तो आप लिख सकते हो fine shawl called pashmina, Pashmina, is obtained from the under fur of the Kashmiri goat. Now the last, many kind of wool of low quality, even you can say, is obtained from the fur of camel, alpaca and llama. Let me highlight the important terms. Wool हमें कहाँ कहाँ से मिल रहा है? We are getting wool from sheep, goat and yak. So these are the sources from which we are getting the wool. Now sheep wool and the yak wool, this is common in the Tibet and Ladakh region. आपका yak famous होता है. It is mostly found in the hilly area. Then Angora wool is obtained from the Angora goat. Angora goat जो होती है हमारी, it is found in the region of Jammu and Kashmir. Then comes the under fur of the Kashmiri goat. अंडर फर ऑफ द कश्मीरी गोट हमें देती है फाइन शॉल बनती है जिससे दैट इज कॉल्ड पश्मीना शॉल. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, वी आर गेटिंग वुल फ्रॉम द फर ऑफ कैमल, alpaca and llama also. Okay, I hope this much is clear to you all. Now first of all we will study about the sheep, क्योंकि mostly the wool that we get in India is, the main source is the sheep. So we will continue with the sheep tomorrow. For today, you will go through this much. You will try to understand what is the natural fiber, what is the synthetic fiber, the definitions, the examples, and then you will come to know about the wool, the animals which yield the wool, the type of wool that we get, and in which region these animals are found. Okay, have a nice day. The homework for you all is to go through it and try to memorize. The homework for you all is to draw any one wool yielding animal, whichever you like, the sheep, yak, llama, alpaca, camel, angora goat, or normal goat from which we are getting the pashmina shawl. Okay, have a nice day.